just wish me that my brain is going to work with me on the day of my exam. Guys, sorry. So today is Tuesday, and the last time I vlogged, like the last time I made a video was last week Monday. So today is like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. See, 9 days later. Yes. The thing is, I don't know what to say. I don't have an excuse, but I would have uploaded yesterday, which was Monday, but I felt the vlog was too short, and that was the main part, which is like the first part of the vlog. So I felt this part is too small. I thought I'll be going to the market yesterday, but I was not able to go to the market. Let me just give a quick update about last week. I made videos for 3 people and they've paid already, so there was no way I could postpone it. I didn't go to school last week apart from on Wednesday, yes, when I went to get my student ID. I don't even know where that ID is right now. Let me try and see if I can get the ID card. This is my student ID card, which I collected on Wednesday. I should have collected this a very long time. I don't know why it's delayed till now. Anyway, probably the main thing I went to do in school last week, and I also went to vote for some executive in my department and in my faculty. I'm sorry this will be a very short vlog. I'm really sorry. Right now I am studying 2 courses at a time. I'm studying maths and biology. Let me turn the camera so you guys can see what I'm trying to see. This is maths. Let me zoom it in. This is maths. This is biology. Like, on the same time, I have files here that I have to. I don't know how I'm going to do, but I know the Lord is my strength. I have another PDF here. This is also biology. I have another PDF here that, like, guys, what I'm doing is, if I read small here, I'll come back here, I'll come back here. I have files here as well. Guys, everything has just been on my neck. Yes, today is 16th of July and my school exam has started yesterday. I think my first paper should be next week. I'll definitely give an update of how my first paper went. I know it's going to go well. I don't have a very hard course as my first paper or like my last semester, but anyway, let's just see how it's going to go. Right now, I want to make tea. I sat down here, I think around this is currently past 10 p.m. in the night. So I think I sat down here, I started reading around 8. I just want to take tea and relax a bit. Maybe relax for 2 hours, then maybe continue reading by 11:30 or to 12. I don't know. Then just read for 2 more hours, then I'm done. I don't know when I'll be editing this particular video, though I've edited the other part of the video. Just remember this part that I'm making right now. I don't know when I'll be editing it, but I promise on my chest, I'm promising. Yeah. I'm promising that yes, I'll upload this video tomorrow, though it will be short. I'm sorry for that. I really don't like posting short form videos, guys. I really don't like it. I just feel, I don't know, but anyway, you guys are going to be with me for now. But this video should not be more than 30 minutes or 12 minutes or so, but I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Guys, wish me well for my first paper, because I feel this will be the last vlog before my first paper. So guys, please wish me well. Wish me that my brain is going to work with me on the day of my exam. I will feel I might even have 2 papers before I post the next vlog, but anyway, wish me well. I'm kind of excited about my exams because I feel my time in this place and me going to my house is getting, closer. But anyway, just wish me well, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye. Bye, guys.